Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the app's microphone and phone permissions because iOS blocks direct recording without them. Once done, choose the app method, local file, cloud capture, or three-way merge, because iOS often requires a bridge call. Open the recorder, tap record, then call or accept the incoming call. Make the recording action first to avoid missing the opening. You do this so the service can either capture audio locally or route through a recording line, which bypasses iPhone limitations. Once the recorder dials its recording line, merge the calls, tap Merge Calls, so the app server joins and captures audio. This is why many recorders use three-way. While merged, monitor audio levels and use pause or resume if you need private segments. Add tags or notes so you can find clips faster. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular upload is enabled if the app stores recordings in the cloud, and confirm local storage limits so files don't fail to save mid-call. When the call ends, confirm save and give the file a descriptive name or tag so you can find it later. You can export the recording as M4A or MP3, share via mail, messages, or upload to cloud storage. Request an automated transcript if the app offers one. If you don't see a file, first check microphone and call permissions, then ensure the app can access the network and that your carrier allows three-way calls. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and contact the app support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.